In this lesson on basic Python security, we're going to look at the server environmental variable. I'm on the shell terminal. I'm using Linux or Bash. You could use Mac. The same thing. There's a terminal there. Or on Windows, maybe WSL might be easier. When we deploy it to a server, most instances will use something like a Docker-like container, which uses Linux internally. So it's a little easier to understand if we use the Linux concepts, although it's not required. So I'm going to first use the command echo on a variable, which is not set yet. So we'll call it app secret. And there's nothing there. But if I use export app secret, and we can just assign it to a variable. And the quotes here are optional, but might be a little easier. This is a secret, not a good one. Okay, so it should be a long string of random characters, but we'll set it like this. I'm going to press the up arrow on my computer twice, and I'll have the same command here that shows the contents of app secret with echo, and we have it here. So we can actually grab this in a Python program now. We can also set it on the server, and so we're going to cover those two things in this tutorial. In a Python program, we can also access the variable. First, let's do a simple print statement to make sure our Python program is working. And I'll go hello world. On the bottom here, I'll run my program, Python main.py, and I have the hello world. There's a package that's built into Python as a standard library called os. And with the os package, I can now grab the environmental variables. So I'll create a app secret equals os.getenv app secret. And we have the print app secret using a Python F string. And these curly brackets here is you can insert the variable. So maybe to make it clearer, the application secret is and we'll see if Python, so I just press the up arrow, Python main.py, and the application secret is this is a secret, not a good one. Right, so this explains how to set it up on the server. So I'm using the free tier of Posit Connect Cloud. Most services that you could use, for example, LeapSail free tier or fly.io, they're all very similar. So this is the application that I have. And I'm going to click on the three dots on the right-hand side. And there's something called settings. I'm going to click on settings. And then on this column here, one of them is called variables. So we can then add the variable here. And we can put some type of longer string usually. And we can then save it. In the next video, we're going to take this simple application that reads in the app secret from the environmental variable, and we're going to build a full front end, back end, full stack application all in Python and deploy it to a free tier cloud service so that you can understand how to grab the OS secret os.getenv, so the app secret, from the server variables. We log into our free course, industry-python.thinkific.com. Go to scroll down on the left-hand pane, and then it says security. Under security, you'll be able to download the code as a zipped file. It covers where we are in the lesson, which is we're just set the environmental variable only locally on the current workstation. Also, if you don't want to use, you want to get more advanced, you can use this python.env, which you can save the key value pairs for your variable and the value in a .env file. Additionally, in the download for one, we have the slides that we covered, which covers the different architectural systems that we'll be building, different types of security architecture, from the basic, which we're working on right now, to the more complex and more secure. Additionally, I'll put the videos up here when I have the videos. So this course is completely free. I'm just putting it up here because it's easier to organize the different files and also to keep it updated. Like, if something changes with Python, the modules, I'll be able to update it in this format. Hopefully I'll see you in the course. You can ask questions. It's industry-python.thinkific.com.